felt something go terribly, terribly wrong. And then that was it. She just died. So we got 2 runs out of her, 2 amazing runs. But I guess we'll pass you back to Kurt. He can show you the damage.
Oh yeah, I'll show you damage, all right. Does that give you a good enough indication?
But you know what this blog's good for?
Well, Tyler, what are we doing today?
Today we are finding the best out of 5 pistons. I say 5, well...
So, not this one.
Not that one.
Is there any reason why you wouldn't use that other than the big hole in the middle?
Okay, so let me rephrase that. The best out of 4 pistons, because somebody dropped one. Not gonna say who, but somebody.
There was 3 people here the last time. One's missing, but
so
it may or may not be.
It probably wasn't him. It's probably one of the guys standing here.
That's right. And we're not going to tell you who. You can just figure that out for yourselves.
So we have found the 2 winners. Here they are, nice and beautiful. Which one was it? I think this one.
Yeah, that was the number 6.
That's the good one. This one. Says the keyway should line up with the center mark of the, which I'm pretty sure it is, the center mark of the head.
Which is this mark right here.
That mark right there. Are we lined up?
Let's go more away from me.
Too much.
Just a hair back my way. I think you're there.
Right there. Close enough.
Love it and lube it.
Okay, tighten all cylinder head bolts. We go 72, then we loosen all of them to 0, and then we go to 32. 72, so we're starting at 72. for those of you that may or may not have the internet for some
Reason?
strange reason.
They're in a place where TELUS does not want to give them.
Well, let's say you're broken down on the side of the highway, and all of a sudden you're like, oh, damn, I need a new camshaft. Or like, I got to put a head gasket on my car. Anyway.
BCAA is not near your
let's say
location.
you took it apart, you weren't paying attention. How do I know which one's which? Well, intake camshaft has a nice pickup for your intake camshaft position sensor. Exhaust cam
does not.
Does not. This one I like to break all the time for some reason. I do not. So anyway, intake inside, exhaust outside. Lube your stuff if you love it.
And if you don't care, just put it in dry, and you can do it again very soon.
Okay, so now we slide in. Some of you, again, that do not have the instruction manual, you will put it down. Maybe our good friend Kurt here can rotate the camera to the front side. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, and again, two ways you could do this, okay? Way numero uno, all your valves are closed when the cams are out. You could just drop them into a position where none of your cams are open, put all your caps on, tighten her down to what you believe is the torque spec, again, if you don't have the manual, and then rotate it to where it needs to be. But we have the manual, so we're going to do this by the book.
Well, here, the small dowel pin's on the other side, so we should probably flip it over so that it's facing up.
That's what we're getting to.
Oh, I'm sorry. I got ahead of you.
So, if we look at our
I got excited.
one, which we've already set, you can see large dowel pin on the bottom lines up with the center point on the head. So we're going to get our large dowel on the bottom, and there we go. Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Ta-da. Turder.
Turder.
Okay, and then, you know, again, because we love our stuff, kinda, gonna wipe all the debris off.
Yes, because this engine was well taken care of beforehand by not doing regular oil changes.
Yeah, maintenance was numero 0 on the priority list. Didn't even make it on. They were a fix it if it makes noise, and then it made too much noise and they said, screw it, I'm not gonna fix it. So here we are fixing it. Because if some of you don't know, we found this out today.
Oh yeah.
So, recap, we have a broken cam, broken valve put a hole in the head, valve put a hole in the piston, and somehow we also bent a rod.
Now hang on, I just want to show people that it's not just bent one direction, it's bent two directions. So it's not a band called One Direction.
It's a bend and a twist.
That's how you know you've sent it good. Side bend.
Twisty bend.
Twisty bend. This is on a wall of fame, not shame, because shame would be if that broke. This did not. The head did first. Due to metal fatigue.
Going there and you point.
Yeah, you're good.
Kinda upward. I don't know. We're kinda good. We won't really know until we put all the bits back on here.
So we want to put the front bits on first. I guess we need silicone.
We will RTV. We are using factory approved sealants. They are on the factory approved list. No, they're not. Who are we kidding? I don't even.
He is kidding.
I don't even think that we prepped this part of the head yet, to be honest with you.
Yes, we did. We ran a cloth over it. Make sure to use a microfiber cloth.
Here it is.
And not
gasket scraper. Proper gasket scraper.
And make sure you file the edges on your gasket scraper so it's nice and sharp. That way
but flat.
That
True.
way.
Look at that. Just beautiful.
Just would you look at that?
Would you look at that? Do you even need to put Scotch-Brite over that? Only to make yourself.
Just look at it.
Man, this video got boring all of a sudden. I'm watching a dude with a screwdriver just scrape stuff.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
You cannot have this music playing.
No,
That's so rude to all the less fortunate mentally.
are you kidding me? That's the least I'm worried about. I don't want to get a copyright strike. This is going to be a fast forward section.
You know, you're gonna have some.
like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is
That never happens. First start, dude. First start.